The trader Dow Jones closing on the highs. Look for higher highs. Closing on the highs. SPX looks like we're going to the 6,000. We are entering overbought territories and all of them. Nasdaq Composite. Once again, we're entering just slightly a little overbought, but we have the gaps, and that bull is, you can see it right here. It is running NASDAQ 100 same way. Look at that. All-time new highs. Okay, so when we take a look at this NASDAQ 100, the S&P and the Dow, all three have one good thing in common. The bull can keep going higher. Higher highs bring higher highs. This is very true. I want to be clear that the volatility will happen in spurts, just like it does. And the whole definition about the write-up about bull and bear, what to expect. And I can tell you right now, that bull is stronger than I have seen it. And this is part of the Trump trade. It's part of people wanting to own stocks, period. Everything that we have said is happening. We want you to join us. That's what we want. Yes. And I can just tell you that the SPX, the comp, and the NASDAQ, all three of those bull runs continue to go higher. We will get pullbacks when they reach that certain overbought. We're only just touching an overbought area. That is not the one. We need to go up 3 times more, and we need to get those numbers in line where pullbacks and bull markets happen. We've got a daily buy signal on this thing, this NASDAQ Composite. So how to buy bull and how to trade bears is really, it comes down to directional price movement, my friends. Believe me,